Welcome to part 3 of my 2024 thru hike of the Superior Hiking Trail. This section covers the 50 miles roughly corresponding to Map Series D between Temperance River State Park and Tettegouche State Park. One of the oddest recommendations I got for the entire trail was to check out the latrine at the Crystal Creek campsite. So here's the latrine. And this is the view from the throne. Taking a break from taking down camp to do my day 9 roses and thorns from yesterday. Yesterday, the only real rose I could come up with was halfway. I'm halfway done, over halfway done by about a mile now where I stayed. And as everyone who I keep passing coming north reminds me, the southbound land is a lot easier, a lot flatter. So I've done half of it and I've done the harder half of it. As for my thorns, I don't really have any thorns. Yesterday was the first day. I didn't feel my blisters. I didn't feel any muscles. My heels were a little sore, but that disappeared. So I'm going to have to say for day 9, there were no thorns. I have about 8 miles a day to get to Finland for my second resupply. And then I'm staying at a campground to shower, get a hot meal, and hopefully do some laundry, although I'm not banking on that. Good morning, everyone. Day 11. Got to the town of Finland last night, and I got the resupply package that Amanda had sent me, so thank you very much. Got a couple groceries and got a couple hot meals. And then my campsite was about 4 miles north of the town. Did not have any luck with hitching, so had to walk 4 miles out, and now I'm on my way walking 4 miles back to the trail. Good news is, both yesterday and today, I had planned relatively small days on trail, only about 8 miles of progress. So overall the days are less than my normal day, just a lot of it's on the road. For day 10 is actually going to be the same as my last town stop. Being able to take a shower was fantastic, and while they didn't have laundry services per se, I did backcountry laundry. So take an empty Ziploc bag, put some soap and water in it, wring my clothes out, get some of the dirt out, and then let it air dry for a while. My thorns was the 4-mile walk to the campsite. I thought once I got to the town, I'd be able to locate a hitch pretty easily, but after 20 minutes of waiting, wasn't able to get one, so I just kind of packed it all in and walked the 4 miles. The water supplies became much less reliable on the southern half of the trail. I'm pretty sure for the next mile I'm going from here to there. Oh boy. just for some perspective on what I'm doing out here. That hill across there, I was on top of that exactly an hour and 30 minutes ago. Whew, so I came all the way down, crossed the valley, round and up. Good morning, everyone. Day 12. Want to do my day 11 roses and thorns. The reason I'm doing this morning is partially because of the thorn. Shared the campsite last night, which generally isn't a problem, but it was Saturday and this is a very popular section of trail. Must have seen 50, 60 people yesterday, 30 people at the camp. It was very crowded for someone who's gotten used to solitude the last couple of weeks. It was a lot of people. So that was my thorn. Just the crowds. My rose was the views. The leaves have changed in the section trail earlier than the northern sections, and so the views were a little more spectacular. Yeah, it was definitely the highlight of yesterday.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay notified about the remaining videos of this thru hike.